in the United Arab Emirates. And we're very proud of what we've done. Our customers came to us and said, we have this problem. Can we create a solution? So let's see where that takes us. So UAE Trade Connect is one of the first commercialized blockchain operations in the UAE. And unlike many of the other people at this conference, we are not dealing with cryptocurrency or crypto assets. Actually, what we're dealing with is we're providing a service to banks who are in the real business of lending and trade finance. And we are facilitating the banks by creating a platform which allows them to share knowledge between themselves without sharing data. So as we know, privacy is a key concern for banks, security is a key concern for banks, and the Central Bank of the United Arab Emirates is very concerned that banks should not be comparing information with each other. But what we have done is we've created a platform that allows the documents on which they're financing to be put onto a blockchain, and the knowledge from that is shared and compared so that we can protect the banks from any possible risk or any possible fraud. We've been in business for about a year. We've been having revenue for about 6 months. The take-up of the platform is like this. We already have 7 of the branded banks using our platform. And inshallah, within the next few months, I think we'll see about another 6 or 7 banks joining the platform. So we're already the market leaders in the United Arab Emirates. And we're very proud of what we've done. In addition, what we're very proud of is the way the banks have worked together with us. So this is not our solution. This is a co-created solution. And we're here today. We had a panel at the Gulf Blockchain Week. We were at the front of the room explaining how it works. And I think the audience really liked the idea that we've put blockchain to work as an enabling technology rather than as an end in itself. So the idea actually came from the banks. So it's an unusual situation. Instead of a company setting up and then going to customers, our customers came to us and said, we have this problem. Can we create a solution? So we first spent 6 months doing a proof of concept. After the proof of concept, we spent another 6 months industrializing it. And then we went live in 2021 in April. We had a big press launch in 2021. So our focus, as it says in the name, is United Arab Emirates. It's UAE Trade Connect. There's enough of a market here for us to focus. And frankly, as a project of Etisalat Digital, this is our backyard. This is where we feel comfortable. The technology is going to work in any country. There is a potential to internationalize it, but at the moment, we're focused on the UAE. As we move forward, we're putting more use cases onto the platform. So we're already doing this de-risking case. We want to connect the trade partners, including ports and customs authorities. And we want to add logistics companies. We want to ultimately bring borrowers onto the network so that we have a trade platform in which borrowers are asking for finance and the lenders who are already our partners are available to lend them trade finance solutions. I wish I did, because then I'd be a billionaire. But I think there's a lot happening in the enterprise space and in the government space. What we're seeing is that we have blockchain and artificial intelligence generally being coupled together. That's the way our solution works. We've taken these 2 technologies, put them together to create a solution, and we see more of the same coming over the next 2 to 3 years. The business will not be conducted the same in 3 to 4 years' time. Good question. So luckily, our company is funded entirely by Etisalat. Etisalat is the country and the region's biggest telecom operator. So it's an enterprise-funded solution. And over the next few weeks, actually, we're going out for a second round of funding. So we'll see whether we invite VCs into the picture, or whether we go to our partner banks, or whether we fund it ourselves. We are fortunate in that sense that we keep investing in the technology to see where it takes us.